Hi everyone, I'm Elle and I wanted to film a quick unboxing of my recent purchase from Dior. Oh, let me just pull it out here. It came in this huge box. Maybe you know what it is by looking at it. And just to be real with y'all, I unboxed this last week when it came in just because I wanted to make sure that it was exactly what I ordered. So yeah, this is kind of a fake unboxing, but I'm very excited. So here we go. It's huge. And then it came in all of this packaging, and then all of this. And let me switch this on over. Okay. So it was packed much prettier than this, but yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I got the right thing before. So like I was saying, I got this last week, but we were gonna go away for the weekend, and I just wanted to make sure that this was all settled before we left. So I unboxed it with my boyfriend, and I was super excited, but I just wanted to share it with everybody here. You can probably tell what it is just by looking at it. And here is the dust bag. You can kind of see a little peek of her already. Ugh, so pretty. So this is the medium book tote in the reverse Toile de Jouy. Sorry. And here she is. Sorry, you could hear my dog's footsteps in the background. And then when I got it, it was all the handles were covered, but of course I took all that off. And then let me just take these guys out and show you kind of oh, hold on one second, I had to let my dog out. But here's kind of a quick overview of it. Super pretty. But yeah, I saw this in the store at our local store, and then I texted my the sales advisor or client advisor that I work with at the Dior in Waikiki, and she sent this one over to me. It's so freaking pretty. Here's a little close-up of the embroidery, and then the back and the inside. And then here's something that I wanted to know right off of the bat when I ordered this, if it fit. I think this is a 15-inch. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Fits right in. And then you have plenty of room. So this is kind of a really quick unboxing just because I wanted to use this baby. But if you have any questions, let me know. After I use it a couple times, I'll try to film a first impressions, or maybe if I use it a few times, I'll film a review. But yeah, here's my unboxing of the medium book tote in the reverse Jouy de Vie. Sorry. From Dior. Yeah. Thanks. I'll see you guys later.